Let's see how you can import a project plan from Excel into the KTern.AI Planner. KTern.AI allows you to quickly upload your existing project plan from Excel, helping you save time and avoid manual data entry. To import a project plan, you must be the project admin. To check who the project admin is, navigate to Project Settings, open Configurations, and look for the Project Admin field. The project admin can also reassign admin access to any user within the project. Once you have admin access, open the planner and switch to edit mode by clicking the edit button. On the right side of the planner, click the three-dot menu, and then select Import Planner. An import dialog will open. The import process is completed in a few simple steps. First, download the Excel template by clicking on KTern.AI Model Template, Project Plan.xlsx. Please note, when you import a project plan, the entire existing plan and its data will be overwritten. Now, fill in your project plan using the downloaded Excel template. Let's quickly understand the key columns in the template. The first column is WBS, or Work Breakdown Structure. WBS defines the hierarchy of your project plan and helps the system understand the parent-child relationship between tasks. For example, the top-level task starts with 1, its child task becomes 1.1, and the next level becomes 1.1.1. In KTern.AI, the project plan should be maintained at least up to level 3. The second column is the task title, where you enter the name of the task. The third column is status. If the task status is new, this column can be left empty. The owner column is a drop-down field. When you download the template, it will automatically include all accepted users in the project, allowing you to select the appropriate task owner. Next, enter the task dates. Use plan start and planned end for the plan schedule. Use actual start and actual end for tasks that have already started or are completed. For active tasks, you can enter the actual start date. For completed tasks, enter both the actual start and actual end dates. If actual dates are not provided for active or completed tasks, KTern.AI will automatically consider the upload date as the actual date. Make sure all dates are maintained in the MMMDD.YE format. Once all details are filled, return to KTern.AI and click Upload File to upload the Excel sheet. KTern.AI will validate your project plan and highlight any issues. Errors must be corrected before uploading, while warnings can be ignored if needed. After validation, click Save, and your project plan will be successfully imported into KTern.AI Planner.